Okay, so let's do another plumbing lesson. Before I get too bored. Man, I get bored with this stuff. No, just kidding, just kidding. I like what I'm doing. Let's see, what was I doing last? Okay, so this is the hot water pipe. And I think that what I need to do is hot water, cold water. Let's do those two. Let me look over here and see what's going on. Okay, I gotta look at my notes. I think let's bring in the cold water. And pipe and cold water. Cold water is going to be, let's look at 1 1/2 inch. 1 1/2 inch, 2. 1 1/2 inch. And I'm gonna make this maybe 10'6". Okay, cold water. Is that working? Doesn't look like that's working. None of the elements were visible. I think I know why, because of the view range. So let's look at the view range. So if you notice that I changed that to 10'6", and it's not giving me any, right? I can't see it. So let's go to the view range. And it is here. Yeah, level 1 basement. Level 1. Or it should be okay because that's from the basement up to the first level. Let's cancel. Let's cancel, and look at the filters. Maybe something is wrong with the filters. Hot water, yes. Waste, yes. What level is this? 9. So let's do this. 10'6". View range again. That's the basement level. Basement up to the first level is 0, so I should be okay. Why is that? I shouldn't have to do this, but I'm going to do this and see if that's a workaround. I don't like that at all. Let's go back. And 10'6". That's still not coming up. No, wait. Okay. Oh, I know what's wrong. I think I know what happened. I think I know what happened. 0. I think I know what happened. Okay. I think I know what happened. 1 1/2, 10 inch. I think I need to change to my pipe type, right? To copper, and my system type to domestic cooled water. Domestic cooled water. And now I should get something. Okay. Now this is why I don't like to go over a lot of this stuff before I start making the video, because I like to go have you guys see the troubleshoot as you're in the office. This is going to happen. You're going to wonder, why am I not getting this or I'm not getting that? But through some of these videos, it's like nobody can make a mistake. Mistakes are always made, or how to figure out how to get stuff done, or why something didn't go wrong. And in this case, I forgot to look at my, what is this? My pipe type and my system type, okay? and it was on the sanitary. And when you look at sanitary for this view, the sanitary waste enable filter is off. Okay, so we have this S106. I think I want just because it's Revit. Oh, what was I gonna do? Let's go back to plumbing systems, because I need to add the 2 1/2 inch size. Is that right? Let's see. Do I go here? Nope. Let's go back. System. Maybe pipes. And copper, cold water, type properties, routing preferences. Okay, here we go. Segment and sizes. Let's include 2 1/2. Yeah, I don't know why that is off. Using size limits, using sizing. That's for automatic sizing, which I've never used, and it doesn't make any sense to use that automatic sizing, because it never works. Because there's always going to be a structure in the way, a wall's going to be in the way, there's going to be ducting in the way, there's going to be some kind of cable trail in the way. It's ridiculous, man, to use those sizes. Okay, so that's cool. So we can do that. Say, okay, and now I should be able to, if I want, size 2 1/2 should be, nope, it's not here. Wait a minute. Copper, it should be there. Did I save it or what? What's going on here? Pipe 1 1/2 should be 2 1/2. Okay, let's do this again. Right click, type properties, edit, sizes, 2 1/2 inch. Oh, maybe it's here. Okay, so you see, you know something's wrong. You just have to keep looking for it. I think that the carbon steel, but I need to look for copper. It's copper K, copper L. Schedule 40. I think this might be it. Plastic schedule 40. I think that might be it. I don't want to speak too fast, but I'm going to try this. I think that might solve our problem, my problem. Let's see. Now let's do pipe. Let's go back. 2 1/2. Yeah. Okay. Now I can put a 2 1/2 inch pipe in there, but I'm not going to, because that size is too big. Okay. Well, I think that I'm gonna stop here and just yeah. So that's what happens when you're working with Revit. Everything is not cut and dry. It's gonna work out okay. You're not gonna have any problems. It just don't happen like that, because I didn't expect to do this part. I wanted to get in here, do my piping, maybe put it in the ceiling at 10'6", 10'8", or 10'7", or whatever. But I didn't know that the 2 1/2 inch wasn't gonna be there. Or what else happened? Hell, I can't remember. what happened? Something else happened. I don't know what it was. Oh, the view range. Yeah, the view range, that kind of messed me up. Well, not messed me up, but it just happened, So you figure it out, I was on the wrong pipe typing system. So yeah. So I'm gonna leave it there, and we'll talk to you guys later.